Hey guys, what's up? This is Theo, and welcome back to the Responsive Web Design certification here on Free Camp. We are under the basic CSS section. This is lesson 9, and today we'll be finishing it out, starting with attach a fallback value to a CSS variable, and ending with use a media query to change a variable. So let's get started. So basically we have this variable, and the second argument that we give to this var function is basically the fallback. So it looks like there's a problem with the variable supplied to the penguin top and penguin bottom classes. Rather than fix the typo, add a fallback value of black to the background property of the penguin top and penguin bottom classes. So let's go here, and the problem is, if you might be able to tell, is it looks like the actual variable isn't defined, right? Because if we were to define it, right, we can sort of go ahead and define this in here, and we can say penguin skin is going to be red, right? And wait, hold on, did I mess that up? Let me see. Oh, I think I understood what's wrong. Yeah, it has to go inside of that scope. So anyways, we're not going to mess with that. Basically what we're going to do is add a fallback value. So we're going to say black. Good. And we're also going to change this to black. And we can sort of see if we, here it is, right? It's inside of penguin skin. We'll do penguin top and bottom. And let's see. Cool. Let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. Working with CSS, you'll likely run into browser compatibility issues at some point. It looks like a variable is being used to set the background color red box class. Let's improve our browser compatibility by adding another background declaration right before the existing declaration and set its value to red. So what we're going to do here is should include a fallback with the background set to red immediately before the background declaration. Okay, so what we can do is run this fallback with the background set to red immediately before. And let's run this. Good to go. Cool. So now cascading CSS variables. Define a variable named penguin belly in the root selector. So you can think of root as a container for the entire HTML element. By creating variables in root, they will be available throughout the whole scope of the web page. So we'll create this penguin belly and assign it to pink. We'll go ahead and run this and penguin belly and assign it. Do I need to run that? Good to go. Cool. Change a variable for the specific area. You can then overwrite these variables by setting them again within a specific CSS selector. So change the value of penguin belly to white in the penguin class. So we'll go down here and we'll say white, and we'll go ahead and run our test. Good to go. And last one is use a media query. So CSS variables can simplify the way you use media queries. For instance, when your screen is smaller or larger than your media query breakpoint, you can change the value of a variable, and it will apply its style wherever it is used. In the root select of the media query, change it so penguin size is redefined and give it a value of 200 pixels. Okay, it's 200 pixels. And penguin skin and give it a value of black. Okay. Oh, sorry, and the root selector of the media query. Okay, so what we can do here is change this penguin size to 200 pixels. And we can do, sorry, I think I need to put it right in here. Let me format that a little better. And I can change this to penguin skin to black. So penguin skin to black. Go ahead and run this. and good to go. So if you were to, let me see if we can actually bring this down. You can sort of see it change, right? That's pretty cool. That's our media query. This is basically telling the browser to look at this max width of 350 pixels, apply this right up until here. Otherwise, change it out. Go ahead and run that. Good to go, guys. And in the next video, we'll be working through the introduction to the applied visual design challenges. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.